We were sitting by the riverbank, we were smoking some silly things, and the sun grew hot against our skin. Into the water we jumped in, and then you asked me why I smile. I haven't done that in a while. I was searching for something beautiful, when I looked into your eyes. I was surprised. Sitting by the hilltop, sitting by the hilltop, yes, I remember when you asked me, can you sing me a lullaby? But I was way too high. Intoxicated by the golden light, intoxicated by my own demise. This time was begging me to be young, to be free. There is no time when you're doing what you love, 'cause I'm a poet, came from above.